Hi everyone, I'm Akash, one of the developers at Bulkpe. Today marks day 10 of our 30 days challenge, and I'm here to introduce our innovative keyboard shortcuts. We have designed shortcuts to streamline every task, putting the power efficiency at your fingertips. Now let's make a quick overview how we can navigate to widely used pages. So as we are in their homepage, so in order to navigate to the context page, instead of just clicking on it, as we can just by pressing Alt plus C, we can go to context page. And also we can go to paired page by just pressing Alt plus P. So we can just have a over on it. So we can see what are the shortcuts to access it. We haven't just stopped right here just for navigations. We also can navigate to our other features such as instant payout and our CAC bulk pay. So just by pressing Alt plus I, we can go to instant payouts and make our payouts easily. And also just by pressing Alt plus B, we can upload CSV files and we can make our bulk payouts. So we have just have added our bunch of shortcuts and they are easy to remember and to use. If you ever unsure, just hit Alt plus slash so that you can see our list of shortcuts that we have implemented. Imagine performing various actions just by using our keyboards, saving your valuable times and efforts. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to redefine the future of the business banking. Thanks for watching and have a great day.